Okay, just arrived. After 23 minutes of walking. Like I said, you can opt to take a taxi. That I think would be a good option for you. We needed to do this because we've been sitting on the bus for roughly 9 hours, like I said. Now we're gonna go ahead and check in.
Do you have a passport?
I do. They're in my bag. And this is where we're staying. At least we booked it for 1 day.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do a quick room tour. Just pull him. Let's stick it in there. Okay, I'll take care of it. Okay, so we're gonna go and check in. It's nice. It was opened recently in April. So just got my bag closed out. One of two. Alright, this is the lobby.
With my real address or just where I'm from, USA?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one? I see that, I'm reading.
We got elevators here to take us up. That's the cook. Hi, chef. Hey, chef. Hey, namaste. There, got a little wash area right there. And guest toilet downstairs. Rooms are nice. As we're waiting to get checked in, we got a welcome drink. Let's try. Oh my god, yummy. Woo! That's really good. Like, you think it's like mango? Something. It's a fruit. It's a fruit drink. It's definitely not orange. It's some sort of passion fruit. Mango, could be banana, but it's, wow, so well worth it. Okay, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Yeah. Let's get another sip of it. Oh, that is so good. Wow. That's so good. Are we ready? Hun? Are we ready? Yeah. Okay. Alright, let's go up to check out the room. Heading up! Hey, cheers. Wait, where are you?
I can't.
There you go. In the elevator. There's an actual sauna. Inside this hotel, this is a sauna. I don't know if you can see it or inside, but that's actually a sauna. I'm closing the door. Look at that. Get a hold. Hope you can see. Alright, it's directly, so we're on the 4th floor. It's directly across from our room. I think they're still working on it, but that's actually pretty cool. Alright, so here's our room. $20 a night. Includes breakfast. Put your clothes. $20 a night, includes breakfast and smart TV. Got all of our stuff right here. As far as our bag, that's our trekking bag. That's my backpack. Got a little shelf. Got a mirror over here with the shelf. I've got a tiny trash can and a nightstand. And here's the bed. I want to get okay. So the bed is super comfortable. The really bed is really comfortable. Pillows are comfortable. Sheet is clean. And don't forget the aircon. I don't want to forget. Got an aircon. Right, it's not too big as far as the overall space, but it's functional. It works. It's $20 a night, and going out. Oh yeah, definitely. You don't. Tons of water. Maid service comes in, cleans the. Say maid service. They clean the room every day, and this is our little balcony here. Okay, but the view, as you can see, look at this view. This is our view. And we're really close to the lake. We actually have breakfast, about to join. Usually you have lunch on the lake, overlooking the lake is what I should say. And it's a dead-end street, so the hotel, there's not a lot of traffic that comes and goes, but check that out. Right, I don't want to forget to include the bathroom. We got a rain shower in the bathroom. I mean, it's a really good use of space, but for, like I said, $20, oh, there's a Ferris wheel going. For $20 USD from outside, super comfortable bed. They got that right. They did not cheap out on that. And like I said, there's a sauna across the hall, and it's not operational right now. Maybe if you decide to stay here, you're on the 4th floor, or whatever floor, the sauna would be operational. Okay, let's go right into the bathroom. Right, it's all modern. Right, they come and replace our towels every day, like they did today. Provide us with toilet paper. I'm standing outside. Modern toilet. Okay, and here's the shower. Look, okay, so that's just sealing the shower. It's right there. It's in the ceiling. That's so cool. She just comes right down on you. You're standing right here. Yeah, right there. And it's self-drying. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Right? $20 a night. Unbelievable. Super comfortable bed. Very, very happy with that. About to go on a 21 to 30 day trek in the Himalayas with my girlfriend. So I'm really, really happy. And this is the view from the bed. Right? Of course, I'm tall, so that's the view from the bed. Alright, that's it for now. Safe travels.